there. So we can come here and come to the volumes here. And in the volume, I can go ahead and create a snapshot here from the volume, which is, remember, this is a frozen image of this particular volume. The volume is the EBS volume, right? So I create a snapshot and call it my snapshot, okay? And I create a snapshot. Yeah, that's it. So I create a snapshot. If I take a look at the snapshot down under it, okay, I see that a snapshot is being created. And I see that there's a snapshot that was created by default by the image. When I created the image, a snapshot was created from that image, right? So I can go ahead and delete that. And let us wait for the snapshot to be created, okay? In the meantime, let's take a look at my instance, right?
Did you put a description on the snapshot?
I just put a description, yes.
My snapshot, sorry.
I didn't put in a tag. If I forget to put the tags, I can go ahead here and give it a name, say.
So when I tried to delete the already existing snapshot, it's giving us an error saying it's being used.
Okay, I don't know. This is the one that you cannot delete. I delete another one that I had before. I cannot delete this one. All right. So now, even though it says it's available, right? So now that I have the snapshot, what I can do is right click and create an image. You see here, you create an image from the snapshot. And I give it, this is my snapshot image, right? This image was created from a snapshot, right? I click create, and now the image is being created. So I can go here to AMI, and the image is created already, right? And now I can go ahead and launch an instance with that image. So as you can see, I took a snapshot from a volume right here. And we will understand volumes a little bit better when we get to storage, right? So I took a snapshot from the volume, and from the snapshot, I created an image, and from the image, I can create an EC2 instance.
Good afternoon. My name is Benjamin Blue. Okay. I'm calling from Marymount University, Office of Undergraduate Admissions. I'm calling.
So right now, I can just follow the process as before and launch an EC2 instance right here, okay? With a volume that is exactly the same as the one that the original instance has, right? And you can see I find my image here again, okay? So far so good. It's just some steps that we have to make, but once you get to understand it, it's gonna be much easier, right? So you can create an instance from an image that you find in the quick start, right? In the quick start, an image here, you can create an instance from your custom AMIs, right? You can create an image from a snapshot from your volume, and then from there, you create an instance. So different ways to create an instance, guys, right? You can create another instance. If you go back to EC2 instances, you right click on the instance, and there's something that says launch more like this. So you can launch more instances exactly like this one. So if you click here, you cannot use this AMI. As a matter, because it's registered. I did register this guy, so I cannot use it anymore. But if I create an instance, let me create an instance real quick. Okay, quick. That's it. Okay, that was an instance real quick, right? Just said next.
And now you're
Next
charged
week.
$100.
Maybe not, because I'm gonna delete it real quick. So I'll have to wait for the other one to be running, because remember, I have a filter here that is gonna bring in all the running ones. Right now it's running. So now I can go ahead here and click and find this and launch more like this. So I can go ahead and that's it. You see, launch another one. So I go ahead, launch it. And I launch another one. Okay, so that's going to be exactly the same as the other one, but remember, the instance ID is not going to be the same. The public IP is not going to be the same. The public IPv4 DNS is not going to be the same, right? But it's a very similar EC2 instance. Okay, let's see. There you go. Right?
You can change the name by editing it right there.
Correct.
Okay.
You can say here instance 1, and you can say here instance 2. Okay. And now if I click here, I will see that instance 2 was added to the tags, because this is basically the tag. I can put the tags here, or I can put the tags. When I click on manage tags, I can go ahead and add another tag here. I can say department development or dev, right? I can save that. And if I select this one, I see that I have department dev. All right. Why tags are important? Because sometimes you want to find resources, and there are many ways to filter the resources by tag. Okay, and that's going to save you time to find them. Right. Well,